My name is Wambui Wa Githongo, or my official name's Janet Wambui Chege. I am a broadcaster by profession. I've been doing so for the past 23 years with the Royal Media Services, in Oro FM to be precise, where I've been a radio presenter. And I also branched from the main activity and decided to open an NGO that goes by the name of Expansion Initiative Program that is basically about, or its main objectives are poverty eradication and disaster management. And of importance is to include people living with disabilities in whatever it is that we are doing. We appreciate the efforts that have been done so far, but there's still a lot to be done in matters basic needs, in matters education, in matters shelter. As we have been talking and I've been communicating with some of the people around today, I realize that there's so much that needs to be communicated out there. And unfortunately, what needs to be communicated does not get to them. And they're also not looking for this information. So there appears to be a disconnect that has to be linked up. And I believe the media has a key role in making sure that we have the information to the people so that they can benefit from whatever is being given by the government. As I speak for the Expansion Initiative Program as the Executive Director, we are basically talking about socioeconomic empowerment, and this you cannot do excluding the people living with disabilities. That means they are part of us. We have to know whenever we are doing our awareness programs that we are making sure that their work environment is good enough that can cater for their needs. We have to make sure that from the levels of education, from the lowest level of education, we are not leaving anyone behind, basically. So whenever there is need for bursaries or whatever bursaries have been given, maybe they're not enough, maybe we need the school uniforms, maybe we need something that cannot be catered for by the government, the work of the NGO is to always complement what is being done.
My name is Jeff Waweru, Ngoliba CBO, where we advocate for community development within Ngoliba Ward. Within that CBO, we have a branch which I represent, taking care of people living with disabilities. We know these people have a lot of challenges from when they were born. As for today, we brought about 70 people from Ngoliba Ward who came and they were assessed. Well, our urge as a community CBO is for the county government and also the national government to do these things. One, we would like to urge them to consider giving adult diapers to the people living with disability who require them. It is a big drain to the incomes of their parents and caregivers. So we urge the government to chip in and help the adult people who need diapers to give, to provide them when they are needed. We are urging the county government to bring closer services to the people, such as better school for disabled, for example, for the deaf. We also would like to urge the government to bring Bella people to Thika level 5 hospital so that the people living close here from Machakos, Puranga, and other areas to access these services to help the people living with the deaf.
My name is Julia Muyaki Wanyike from here, Thika constituency. The PWDs play an important role in our society, which we may not know. They are talented in a very special way. Some are artists. They sing very well. We've seen them on the streets. And others are talented maybe in their artwork. I want to tell the people of Thika, the PWDs, that I, as Julia, when they elect me to represent them in parliament, I'm going to be the voice in that parliament for them. I'm going to represent them so that all those talents that they have, all the special ways that they are able, are put in front and they're included in every decision that is made, be it in education, be it in health, be it in their way of making an income or their way of living. I will also be the voice for the civil societies, like Embrace Inclusion. I'm going to talk for them so that whatever policies that the government make regarding the civil societies, it's going to favor them and to favor the people that they take care in the society.